Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating and yet misunderstood concept of F1. The F1 tires. From slicks to wet, compounds to degradation. This is your ultimate deep dive into F1 tires, their track life and when and why a team chooses them. So guys, buckle up. It's about to get grippy. In F1, tires are not just rubber wrapped around rim. They are critical strategic weapon. Tire choices can win and lose race, affect lap times by second, and dictate how aggressive a driver can be. That is why understanding tires is like unlocking a secret level in the F1 strategy game. F1 tires are made by Pirelli, the official supplier of F1 since 2011. Each race weekend features 3 dry tire compounds from a pool of 5 slicked tires labeled C0 to C5, with C0 being the hardest and C5 is the softest. The softest compound tire have a lifespan of 15 to 18 laps. The medium compound tire, which is labeled by yellow lines, have a lifespan of 18 to 25 laps. The hard compound tire, which is labeled by a white circle, have a lifespan of 30 plus laps. The harder the compound, the longer it lasts, but the slower it is. The softer tire gives more grip and fast lap times but wears out quickly. Now let's talk about when it's rain. F1 does not stop when it pours, but they switch to the rain tires. F1 have two categories of tire for rainy conditions, which is intermediate and full wet. Intermediate is labeled by green line and full wet is labeled by blue lines. Intermediate tire disperse 30 to 35 liter of water per second and last around 40 laps, and full wet tires disperse 85 liters of water per second and last around 10 to 25 laps. But here's a catch. If track dries and you are on wet, they will overheat and degrade quickly. Time is everything in F1. Let's see tires in action. Remember Turkish Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton won on intermediate tires that look like slicks. Or how about staying out on old tires during safety car, hoping for rain or another yellow flag? Teams use complex simulation to predict the crossover points. When a tire's performance drops below the fresh one, that's the signs of undercut and overcut. Each weekend, each driver gets 13 sets of dry tires, 2 hard, 3 medium and 8 softs, plus 4 intermediates and 3 full wet. During a dry race, drivers must choose 2 different compounds, meaning at least one pit stop is mandatory unless it rains. Looking ahead, F1 is pushing for sustainable tires, reducing plastic use and improving recycling. Pirelli already makes tires with bio-based material, and the 2026 regulations might bring further changing in size, shapes, or even manufacture. So next time you watch F1 race, just remember every second, every lap, every pit stop, it all comes down to tires. If you learned anything new today, smash the like button and subscribe for more F1 guides. Thanks for watching, and remember, grip is everything.